Hey there, refreshing drink lovers. Are you a fan of mint lemonade? Well, you're in luck. Not only is this drink super tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients and benefits for your body. Let's dive in and explore the awesomeness of mint lemonade. Vitamin C boost. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C also helps to fight off free radicals, keeping your skin looking radiant and youthful. Minty fresh benefits. Peppermint leaves contain menthol, which aids digestion and can ease tummy troubles like bloating and cramps. Mint also contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it a great addition to your drink. Hydration station. Mint lemonade is a fantastic way to stay hydrated, especially during hot summer days. Water and electrolytes work together to keep your body functioning at its best. Calming effects. The combination of lemon and mint has a calming effect on the mind and body. The citrus scent of lemons can uplift and refresh, while the menthol in mint can help reduce stress and anxiety. Low calorie count. Mint lemonade is a guilt-free drink option, with approximately 60 calories per serving depending on the recipe. Enjoy it without worrying about ruining your diet. How to make the perfect mint lemonade. Mix 1 cup fresh mint leaves, 1 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup sugar or 2 taste, and 4 cups water. Stir well, chill, and enjoy. There you have it. Mint lemonade is not only a refreshing drink, but also a nutritious one. So go ahead, indulge in a glass or two and reap the benefits of this amazing drink. Cheers to your health.